BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9 Donald, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First-Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poldam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Get doors opening now.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate room with the sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara.
That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
Recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you. Black Leader, are you ready?
Five standing by.
Engage the forces. Hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to cut him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
All right, some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you.
TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
The ship is under command of the First Order. Prepare yourselves for interrogation. All of you out now.
Continue to the corridor to your right. Keep your groups together and utilize both sides of the hallway.
Can you see that? Another spaceship, Chris.
How many here? All the way down to your right.
3. Thank you.
How many here?
Press, look at the robots. Ready, bud? Yep. 3. Thank you.
Sign to blue, stand away for instructions on blue.
Thank you. Blue, press.
Over here, this way. If you sign to red, stand away on red for instructions. How many here? 6 this way. 4 on gray. 2 on orange. 4 on gray, 2 on orange. You can turn this way, you're not on timeout.
Come here, bud. Serious.
Resistance sympathizers, the colors you are standing on, you're now assigned to that color. Make sure you remember your assigned color as it's vital for your interrogation. Red, stand on your color. Gray, into cell, orange, into cell, and blue. Memorize the colors I gave you.
What color we press for blue? Or blue is your favorite color anyway. Blue, press for blue.
Leave us. Yes, General.
Press on the
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
attack force. Get to the escape pods, now! Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recortos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Back on the ground. Thank you.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Right.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Approved, droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Power is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Prisoners not seen on the team. Take cover, recruits! If anyone's making a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pods just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is way bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence. Now! Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right.
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Buck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
Good job, man.
Scan for his pocket.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Keeper.
That's not pressing. Thanks. Good job, bud. Good job. Okay, come on. Over here. Now we're gonna